Hey, what's up guys? Can you believe Amazon offers a software where you can basically upload t-shirt designs for free to Amazon, where they're going to make your listing, they're going to print out the design when a customer buys it and ship it to the customer, and you literally don't even have to pay anything. There's zero risk for it. Well, guess what? That service is called Merch by Amazon. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. So you heard me right, guys. This is a no-risk way to make free passive income for years on end. Imagine uploading a t-shirt design for Christmas and boom, you make a bunch of money that December. Well, next December, that same design is still going to be on Amazon and you're going to make tons of money from it year after year after year. Now imagine doing this and uploading maybe 5 designs a day. This is where you start scaling your money and scaling your passive income. And by all means, you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I stick primarily to private labeling my products and selling them through FBA. This is just an extra resource that I have not been utilizing. So in this video, I'm going to describe to you exactly what Merch by Amazon is, how to make money from it, the profits you can expect to make, and as well, I'm going to share with you Merch Informer. And this is a super low price tool. One of their slogans is that it only costs you 2 shirt sales a month to pay for their software. You can get it started for like 10 bucks a month. There is a free trial for it, but I'm going to touch on that later in the video because it's by far the most useful tool you can use to research shirt designs, find niches, and basically start scaling your Merch by Amazon business to the top ranks. And they even offer a free training course inside Merch Informer. So once you get the free trial, you can learn everything about it. I'm going to continue making more videos about this, so please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Merch by Amazon. And I have 300 videos talking about straight up my FBA private label journey, which has brought me to make over $30,000 in some cases per month in sales just on Amazon while I'm literally just hanging out. So I'm all about building passive income, and if you guys are too, drop a thumb up on this video and we're gonna hop in behind my computer. I'm gonna show you more about Merch Informer, what Merch by Amazon is, and how to make money from it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so after doing a quick Google search, I arrived at Merch by Amazon, which you guys can find pretty easily. And I just want to give you a quick overview of what this actually is and how big of an opportunity this really is to make passive income through Amazon 24/7. So I'll go through how it works. And I mean, this is just insane that they're actually offering this. I mean, you can see you're just going to simply upload your artwork. So you're going to create a design, upload that design, choose what product type and color. So whether you want a t-shirt, a long sleeve, a hoodie, whatever it is, and what color you want that to be, then you're just going to go add a simple product description about what that shirt is. Then Amazon's actually going to create the product listing for you. And then when customers buy the product, Amazon's going to do the production. So they're going to put your logo on the shirt. They're going to ship it to the customer and handle all the customer service, all with no upfront costs. Now, that's just pretty much insane to me. And just in a moment, I'm going to pretty much go in and show you how much profit you can make per shirt. And of course, Amazon's going to take money out of the sale for all the shipping, the production of your product, and the cost that it takes to make that shirt in the first place. But you are going to make money on top of it. And I'm going to get into that in just a second, but I want to show you all you have to do is pretty much come to this page to get a Merch by Amazon account, and you just press request invitation, and simply it's going to bring you to this page where you can see apply for your Merch by Amazon account. All you need is 3 things: your business contact info, your bank account and routing number, and a social security number or an EIN, which you get from the IRS if you don't want to be using kind of your social security number. An EIN is also free to get. So with that being said, let's jump into the royalties, which is pretty much the profit you're going to be making for each sale of your product. So they have a pretty standardized thing here where it shows if you sell a shirt for $19.99, you're going to be making $5.23 profit per sale. So that's not a lot of money, and that's why I say I want to use this in conjunction with my Amazon FBA business, just because this is a free way to make passive income and it's zero risk, zero liability. All I have to do is create a design. Like I come over here in Canva and I can create designs here for free all day. And I'm going to touch on Merch Informer in just a little bit because you're able to create your own designs in this software. And that's really what I've looked into to see what is the best thing Merch by Amazon sellers are using to list their products, find profitable niches, and do basically all the best numbers possible. And the real crux of this and how you make all the money is that you upload many different designs, and they can be super simple, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. But you upload a whole bunch of different designs, and let's say you make 10 sales a day of a shirt at 20 bucks. That's 50 bucks profit per day. That adds up to 1,500 bucks a month in profit, and that's over 12, 13, 14,000 bucks a year in extra profit just for making 10 sales a day. Now, when you have 50 designs and they're all making 10 sales a day, I mean, the numbers just get astronomical for there, and that's the whole point of this. And that's how you can really scale this business. And that's what I like to get into, passive income things where I can sleep and make money, all while being able to scale my business at the same time, because Amazon's handling all that heavy legwork for you. So all this is really complicated and kind of, just hard to get into if you don't know what you're doing, obviously. So that's why I did some research and I found what Merch Informer is. And after watching a ton of YouTube videos, I've noticed that this is really a great tool that a lot of people have been talking about. And that's why I kind of wanted to, get into it. And as you can see, you can just start a free trial right here. And the cool part is they actually have, right once you get inside, after you start your free trial, you can basically go through all their tutorials. They have a literal full course on everything you need to do to start creating sales with your Merch by Amazon account. They even have Merch Informer also has an awesome YouTube channel you guys can go check out. But their tutorials cover all of these tools. And this is just kind of an overview video. I'm going to make a full review after I watch all these tutorials and start doing this myself. But that's why you guys may want to subscribe to the channel, because I'm brand new. I'm pumped up about this and I want to start doing this. It's just a free way to make money, literally a free way to make money. So you guys can watch my journey, subscribe, drop some comments, and we can all jump in together and start this thing off right. So these tutorials are going to cover all that you need to know, which is placed out here in their sidebar. They have their social hunter, their trend hunter, where you can see what are the movers and shakers, what's really moving at this time of year in Amazon for certain t-shirts, the trend tracker. I mean, all this stuff, the trademarks. They even have a trademark hunter, so you can make sure you're not infringing on people's trademarks. But we can just click on Merch Hunter here and literally just press search. And this is going to help you find awesome trends that are raving right now. So the first shirt I see, you can see it looks like a Breast Cancer Awareness Month t-shirt. So this shirt is being sold for $17.98, so basically 18 bucks. And you can see how many monthly sales they're making right here. So 1,170 sales a month. And to see how much profit they're actually making, we'll say, okay, it was an $18 shirt. So $17.99 is basically the same thing here. So they're making $3.72 per sale. Like I said, that's not a lot of money, but if you scale out to many different designs and repeat that process, you can start making some serious compounded money on that. But these people are in fact making a ton of money, because $3.72 times 1,100 sales a month, I mean, they're making over $4,000 a month in profit with just one single shirt, because they decided to put a design on a shirt, and now Amazon is printing it out and shipping it to customers and handling all the customer service. It's just insane that Amazon's offering that. So this is where you can get great ideas for designs and then just go create them on your own and upload them. And I mean, who doesn't want to get a little creative and create their own shirt? So that's why I'm super pumped on this, and I think you guys should really look into it. Let me tell you a little bit more about what Merch Informer really is. And basically they sum it up here. You get the data you need to build your Merch by Amazon business, sell successful products, and work on your own terms. That's what we all want in the end, right? So Merch Informer allows you to find these untapped, profitable niches, stay ahead of your competitors, and scale your merch account like a brand. That's what we're looking for here, and that's why I'm super pumped about this, because I want to make my own brand. I mean, I got my shirt on here, and I can simply create logos around the entrepreneur niche and sell them through my YouTube channel. I can have my own merch clothing line for Amazon sellers or for entrepreneurs or for skateboarders or any niche I love. I can go create 50 designs about that and just throw them up on Amazon and tell my friends, hey, go buy my shirt, check it out. So I'm really just excited to kind of create my own clothing line, and I can do it for free through Merch by Amazon. and of course using Merch Informer's tools to help me do the things that are actually going to make me money. So after learning from their Merch Academy, which I just kind of ran through for you guys here, you're going to be able to just start diving right into research. And the research software is just so comprehensive that it's just going to take all the guesswork out of this. You're going to find the niches that are making money that are not oversaturated, so you're not wasting time with this. And looks like no matter if you're even a first timer or a seasoned mercher, Merch Informer helps you filter through Amazon's entire merch database and find profitable niches quick, giving you time to scale your business. So they even have a design, like I said, after you can make designs in Canva for free, or you can come over here and straight up make designs right inside Merch Informer. So use the Merch Designer to create beautiful one-off designs, and use the automated bulk tool to create hundreds of unique designs with a click of a button. That's like pretty much saying world's best mom, world's best dad, world's best grandma. You can just use that world's best on the t-shirt with your design, and then just plug and play with whatever word you want to put in there, whether it's mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, dog, sister, cousin, whatever. All these things can be organized in a template so you can upload a ton of designs at a time, which is going to give you the ability to scale your business, which is what we want to be able to do. Create money in our sleep and not have to do extra legwork in the end. And they also talk about protecting your designs and making sure you're not going to infringe on other people's copyrights that they may have, or trademarks. Of course, we can't go sell shirts that say, that have the MTV logo on it. Of course, that's probably a trademark type thing that we don't want to jump into. So this is just kind of a quick overview of this. And if you guys want to start the free trial, just go check out the link down below in my description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can just follow this journey and see what it's like for a brand new Merch by Amazon seller to kind of jump into this. You guys can jump and follow along right with me. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm going to make a full review video, like I said, after I watch all these tutorials. And the best way you guys can make money fast and do it on your own terms is just by dropping a like on this video. Of course, that's how we do it. But no, guys, so that's kind of the overview I wanted to let you guys know about. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.